Integration involving logarithmic problems. Here we have the definite integral of log 2x over x dx from 1 to 4. Note that log a times n is equals to ln n over ln a. Now applying the our formula log a times n, our equation now is equal to the uh, integral of ln x over ln 2 times x from uh, 1 to 4. We can also rewrite our equation to 1 over ln 2 multiplied by the integral from 1 to 4 of ln x over uh, x dx. Now, to solve this equation, we let u is equal to ln x. Then, it will become du is equal to the derivative of ln x will be 1 over x dx. Then, isolating dx, it will be x times du is equals to dx. Now, applying the value of our u and dx to our equation, we get 1 over ln 2 times the integral from 1 to 4 of x u over x du. X u over x du. Then we get 1 over ln 2 multiplied by the integral of u from 1 to 4 du that will be equal to 1 over ln 2 multiplied by the integral of u, which is u squared over 2 um, integrated from 1 to 4. Then combining our equation, we get u squared over 2 ln 2 integrated from 1 to 4. Now, substituting back our original equation in terms of u, which is ln x, that would be ln x squared over 2 ln 2 integrated from 1 to 4. Now, substituting the limits to our equation 1 to 4, that would be ln 4 squared over 2 ln 2 minus ln 1 squared over 2 ln 2. Now, combining our equation, we get ln 4 raised to 2 over 2 ln 2 minus, since we know that ln 1 is equal to 0, we can cancel that out. Now we get ln 2 raised to 2 all raised to 2 over 2 ln 2. Now, uh, ln 2 raised to 2 is also equal to 2 ln 2. So therefore we get 2 ln 2 raised to 2 over 2 ln 2. Now, since we know that they are the same, we can cancel the denominator and the exponent. So we get 2 ln 2, and that is the final answer.